been here at Viola Inn in Mbale to disseminate a report of a study which we conducted in the districts of Namutumba, Manafa, Tororo and Jinja about retention of mother-baby pair in care in the elimination of mother-to-child transmission of HIV. This study was occasioned by the fact that an earlier baseline study which was carried out found that very few of the mothers and their babies were being retained in EMTCT care. So we wanted to find out why these mothers are not retained in care.
This meeting has been so important because we've had people, we've shared experiences, and we were able to hear the barriers and the reasons why the mothers do not come back for their appointment, because the dissemination was about retention of mother-baby pairs in care, and this has been a very big problem. If I look back at our health facility, by 2012, June 2012, we were at 10%. And when doctor came to interview the mothers, he was also able to tell us about the feedback from the mothers. One of them was attitude of health workers, and then they also mentioned about long waiting hours. They talked about forgetting the appointment dates we give them. Yeah, and the others they mentioned, and also fear of disclosure to their partners.
We have found this a very good intervention by Makerere University, particularly in helping students to conduct operational research. The sense of dissemination has two components. One is that operational research means we are finding performance gaps that have solutions that have no budget constraints. So it's a very useful thing. Using available resources, we are able to answer things that we thought were very difficult. Two, the teams have had an opportunity to share experiences with other districts on how they have been doing the same things differently. And with such an opportunity, the Manafa team has learned how to improve on the retention of patients into care and therefore minimize the lost follow-up. Three, this dissemination has also given us an opportunity to know what was going on in the district that had not been brought to our notice. And therefore, a number of things that have come up today, for example, health workers